Fire lid. There's a couple seals inside. One of them is on the top lid. Sometimes this will come loose, so you want to make sure it's pressed in securely all the way around here. And the other seal that's in here is the one that attaches to the humidifier. The other seal here is in the back of the humidifier, where the chamber connects into the machine. This seal will either pop out and go into the chamber itself, or sometimes it's just set there loosely. So you want to make sure that that's in there nice and securely also. What you'll notice on there, if that is not in there, is you'll either hear a loud noise. So I'm going to put the chamber back in, and we're going to take it out. When you turn the machine on and put your mask on, you'll be hearing it really loud noise. I'm going to put this back in correctly. Pressing down securely on the top, put your mask on, turn the machine on, and it should be nice and quiet.